How's it going, guys? SYG Tech is here, and this is the 5th video for the TELESIN products, which, by the way, TELESIN sent all these cool products for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you, I don't want to make this video longer, but let's see how long it's going to get. So 5th product is something very cool for your videos. So this is a TELESIN StreetGrip kit for Action 6. Now, this is pretty cool because we have the cage, which is pretty decent. This is all from metal. The cage is 220 grams. It's not very heavy. We have the power button release here, and we have a lanyard. As you can see, it comes with a lanyard and the actual grip here, as you can see. Also, we have a tool, which the tool is going to help us to attach the grip to Action 6. And we have a memory slot here inside, so you can put your memory card, which is pretty cool. Now, how to attach the camera to your grip? So we have a power button here on the top. Just want to give a quick video, quick information. So we have a cold shoe here for attachments. For example, you can attach your lights, you can attach let's say microphones, and you can still use the grip horizontal or vertical. We have a tripod mount here, which is pretty cool. As you can see, I'll show you and demonstrate everything. So here on the top we have a press, so this is how you open the cage, and now just slice the Action 6 inside of the cage, and boom, voila, this is how you close. Again, I'll demonstrate. This is how you open, this is how you close. And this is pretty cool because if you don't want to use the grip, as you can see here, you can use the Action 6 just with the cage. Price for all this bundle is $89. As you can see, we still have access for our quick release. As you can see, this works pretty good. Like I mentioned, we have a tripod mount, and also we can use the quick release for the bottom as well, which is pretty nice as well. So you still have you still have access to your memory card, batteries underneath. But yeah, pretty cool. I mean, just for the memory card, as you can see, obviously the battery is on this side. But how do you attach the grip? Let me show you now. So let's get our tool from inside. As you can see, this is the tool. Inside we have a magnetic thing, so you're not going to be able to lose this. As you can see, this goes inside, so this is pretty cool. So you take the grip basically and just align it with the threads here, as you can see. So make sure that this is aligned properly, and just hold it like this. And now take the tool and just turn until this is proper in. As you can see, you need to tighten this up. Pretty easy. Make sure to align it properly and just turn, as you can see, and this will go proper now in. Takes a little bit of time, maybe a couple of seconds, but yeah, I think should be fine. And I'll show you now. This doesn't go anywhere. And now after you finish, make sure to take the tool and just put it inside, and yeah, it's safe here. And now, as you can see, this is proper DSLR experience. In a way, it's not going to replace your DSLR, but yeah, looks pretty cool. We have the cold shoe here. Like I mentioned, you can attach, for example, maybe a light or a DSLR. Let me show you, I'll demonstrate. So this go inside, and now this can go on the top, on the side, so you can attach it pretty decent. If you don't want to use light, you can use, like I mentioned, a microphone. So pretty cool light, by the way, from TELESIN. I already did a video about this light, so check the video in the descriptions down below. So as you can see, now we are ready to install our power button thing, shot mount thing. So let me show you how to do that. We have a cold shoe here, so you can slide this inside, as you can see. in order our button to be aligned with the power button, with the shot button thing. So as you can see now, this is installed. So if I press, this thing is very sensitive, as you can see. So we can take photos. It's very sensitive. We have the grip, as you can see, and it's pretty cool. Vertical or horizontal, you can still use it. I think it's a great thing to have, in my opinion. Again, for $89, it's not for everyone, but if you want to protect your Action 6, I think it's a great thing to have. So instead of buying just the cage, you can buy the grip. You may not use the grip, but in my opinion, it's worth it to have it. You may use it in the future for some projects. But yeah, I think it's a pretty cool thing. As you can see, this thing is very sensitive. So let me switch it off now. And in order to remove this, do the same thing. So let's remove the top bit, and you still have access to the battery. So if you press here, you still have access to the battery, which I think is a very thoughtful thing. You don't have to remove the grip. So in order to remove the grip, just take the tool from inside again. Let me show you, and just unscrew all this. I know it takes a little bit of time, a couple of seconds. So as you can see, this is almost ready. Here we go. And now make sure to put the tool inside, otherwise you don't want to lose it. And there we have it, guys. This is the TELESIN StreetGrip kit for Action 6. Pretty cool stuff here. I think it's a very good accessories to have for your Action 6. And yeah, this is the 5th video for all the 5 accessories. TELESIN, thank you for sending all these cool products. Guys, make sure to like, subscribe, share, check my YouTube channel. I have like 1000 plus videos. You can watch something interesting if you see my videos. Yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, share. And guys, yeah, leave a comment. Let me see what you think about these cool products from TELESIN.